Okay, well, okay, let me have a quick review about these questions. The first one, what is sample space? Sample space is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 events. 4 events. And the third question, sorry. Question A. Question B. What is the probability of getting exact one head? Exact only one head, very clear, that is here. Only one head, here. Here. Thus, the probability is 2 events divided by 4, that is 0.5. Okay, and the third question. The third question, what is the probability of getting at least one head? Okay, let's move here. Okay, at least one head, and 2 heads are also included in the condition. So under this one, we know 3 divided by 4 outcomes, that is 0.75, or we can call it 75%. Okay, get it? And now I'm going to show you a different way to watch this. For example, this one. This one is a little bit hard, and if you can catch it, congratulations. If you cannot, I will explain again after the midterm. Okay, here, and continue to edit. We have the first assignment here. And now you can follow my way because it's easier unless you can understand the HTML coding. Here I place a term 888, then 999. Why? Because I will embed this slide into this position between 888 and 999 here. Please watch carefully. File, share, publish to web. Remember, now everyone can watch your website, this website, not this file. Please make sure no illegal or no inappropriate content on the file. Please remember, click publish to web and select embed. And about the size, it's up to you. For me, I use the default setting, medium. Every 3 seconds, no, stop. Embed every 3 seconds, autoplay, no. Actually, I don't like this, okay. Slice as soon as the play load, no. Reset, no, okay. Then publish, okay. And I got this one. Okay, again, this one is the HTML codings. Select all, copy, then move to your Google Blogger and switch. Here is compose view. Here is HTML view. Switch to HTML view. Then you will see this. You will see this. It's very horrible, I know, but I just placed. Do you remember 888, 999, and between those symbols, Control V to paste. I'm done. Switch back to the compose view. Switch. It's here. And click update. Then move it here and watch it. Then I can see today's assignment. Sorry, I forgot GN. I will place those two letters back. Okay, assignment. And here, suppose you conduct experiment. It's too big. No, it's too big. Okay, slide 1, slide 2, slide 3, slide 4. Okay, let me redo it. Delete it. Then move to this one. Embed. Select small, and click. Select all. Copy. And move it here. And do not copy paste it here. You need to switch to HTML mode. 888 and 999 here. Control V, paste, move it to compose view. Yes. Okay, and update. Then move to here. I reload it and the screen, the presentation will become smaller. Alright, looks okay. Okay. Is it okay for you? Assignment? Oh, it's shared on me. I misspelled it. I'm sorry. Okay. Assignment. Okay, 2 minutes. Then we will move to next section. About this, if you have trouble of doing this, please let me know. And sure. If in the future, just one more skill you can learn. This. You can follow my steps here. Here is your file, right? Then you can create a you can type link to this file. Then you can share. Yeah, if for your personal use, you don't need to switch the access, the restriction. You don't need to this one because it's your own. But I want to share my files to you. So I switch to anyone know this link. Everyone can be viewer. Do not, unless you have a special purpose, do not switch to editor. No, viewer is enough. And copy and done and move it here. Link to this file and select link, insert link, and paste and done. This step is it saves you a lot of time. It saves you a lot of time. Let me show you here. Reload it. See, okay, here is my website, $1 website, but I forgot where to find this file. Oh, I have a clue here. Click it, open in the tab. Okay, here is my website. Then I can modify anything here. For example, I can select it with a frame, with the color should be purple. I like purple, like this one. Okay, then you can go to here, reload it, and you will see the purple frame here. Okay, get it? Okay, 2 minutes. Then I will move to the chapter 4.1. Sorry, 5.1. Now I'm going to take a video from you. Again, next week, next is midterm. Later, in the future, I will tell you, I will review this skill again. Don't worry if you cannot memorize every step here. Okay, I just share my experiences how to embed the Google Office, Google presentation in a blogger or website, and they are learning skills about this. Yep. They create their own image about how to solve the probability, throw one coin twice, the outcome, the head and tail and head like this. And they try to do that. Okay, no problem. Yep, so see. Questions? So maybe you don't expect to learn some computer skills in this class. But sure, you know, I'm very good in computer applications. I'm not a programmer, but I'm very good, very good. Abuse? Why? My suggestion is, since you have the chance to study in Taiwan, just free your mind, have an open minded. But I know some skills that could be interesting for you. Pardon me? Scientist? Yeah, I'm a scientist, right? Yeah, I'm like, but I also do a lot of things. For example, how to replace some family repairing, replace the wire, electricity or something. I know how to do that. And when I was a college student, I assembled a computer. I bought parts by parts from CPU, memory, wire, something like that. I assembled a computer. So, questions? Yeah, please let me know. I'm very happy to help everyone. Okay, 1 minute, then we will switch to chapter 5.1. Okay. Okay, let's move to chapter number 5. I think today maybe I can just finish one section. Okay. 5, chapter 5, discrete probability distributions. Yeah, it's very good. We are entering the new section here. 5.1, basics of probability distributions. Okay, let's check this. 5.1. I just copy the page. To our online group. Okay, so you can follow my steps here. Okay, as a reminder, a variable or what will be called a random variable from now on is represented the letter X, and it represents a quantitative numerical variable that is measured or observed in an experiment. Okay. Also remember there are different types of quantitative variables called discrete or continuous. What is different from between discrete and continuous data? Discrete is a data like only take on particular value in a range. Continuous data can take on any value in a range. Discrete data usually arises from counting, while continuous usually arises from measuring. One for counting, one for measuring. Okay, let's move. Example of each. I'll move here. Let's check the example 5.1.1, probability distribution. Okay, and the formula here for probability distribution, the probability should be greater or equal to 0. It means the minimum value is 0. Okay, and should be less or equal to 1. It means the maximum value is 1. 1, it means 100%. And all events, the summation of all events, that is 1. Okay, let's check the first. The year 2010, U.S. Census found the change of household being a certain size. The data in example 5.1.1, households by age 2013. Okay. Size of household 1, that's 26.7%. 2, 33.6%, 3, 15.8, 4, 5, 6, 7 or more. Okay. And now, in this case, the random variable X, that is the number of people in a household. This is discrete random number because 26.7% of the house has only one person. 33.6%, the probability of this one has 2 people, but it's impossible to have, $1, my family has 1.5 people. It's impossible because we count that is an integer. 1, 2, 3, 4, no 3.3, no 4.0 or 5.2, no decimals. And this is a discrete random variable since you are counting the number of people in a household. Okay, let's move to next. Graphing. Okay, we are moved to graphing it. Graphing a probability distribution. Okay, now we have the data here and we try to graph it. Size of household like this one, and solution. We expect to draw this picture. And now again, let's move to here and new Google Drive, new. Sure, because I switched to chapter number 5. Thus, I plan to have a new file. Close it. Copy. Here. And here is your file. Click link. Move it here. And here, copy. Paste. That's one way. That's one way. You can transpose it. For example, like here, paste spatial, transpose. Why? I don't know why. Okay, let me again. Copy. Transpose it. Okay, like this one. For example, I prefer to do this. But actually, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 7 or more. It's not the number for the x-axis. It's a label. It's a label. So, for example, I like this one. I select here and insert plot chart. At this moment, I can use column chart, but never select XY distribution. Never. Why I say never for 3 times? Because you may misunderstood this. Oh, come on. Because 1, it means 1 person in a house. 2 people in a house. 3 people in a house. 6, 7 or more. But actually, it's sure it's a number. You're right, it's a number. But 7 more. 8, 9, 10, 11, 15 in a family is possible. But I prefer to call this one as a label. It's a label here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and more, like this one. And the probability look like this. Sure, you can modify it. Okay, I will shut up my mouth. Also, okay, I will be quiet for 3 minutes. Please draw this chart. Okay, go. Question, please let me know. Okay, any question? If you have trouble to draw this, please let me know. Questions? Yeah.
I don't know how to remove.
How to what?
Remove, I don't know.
Move what?
This one. I follow your
instructions. How about delete it?
Like if you are inside the
Yeah.
inside the this, I will insert this.
Okay.
Copy and go here.
Yeah. Okay.
This way number 1.
Okay. Okay.
I will try to remove here, but I can't remove this. I can't remove this.
Oh. Okay. Okay.
And also
My suggestion is click it on the frame, then delete. Click delete. Delete.
I can't do.
How about click on the frame, not on the inside? Click here, frame.
The frame
Uh,
here.
Let me try use the mouse. Okay. For example, click on the frame. On the frame, it become another one. Sorry.
Other frame is blocking, that's why I can't.
And now I selected no flash inside and delete. Okay, then you can have this text box.
Yes.
You can start your own way. Number, what is it? Number lock 1, 2, 3. Hey. Okay. Then you move to next page. You can do everything you want. Okay. Yep. Any question? Yeah. 2 minutes to finish this course. And next week, again, just a reminder, the midterm question is very similar to last year and our textbook, so you need to study very hard. Okay. Questions? Okay, I think less than 1 minute to finish the course. Okay, we are done today, and see you next week. Anything, please let me know. Next week is the midterm exam. Yeah. Okay, good luck everybody. Have a happy Monday.